laundry day. So we brought to the laundry, so there's nothing to pick up, right?
No.
So going to fry it with egg.
Potato, yeah.
We'll try. Tomatoes, carrots. Same color. Same color.
No, not that. Small seeds and very sweet.
That's gonna be for 1 week. Small snacks. Actually, it's mostly for offerings. That's what they put in the offers. This is dried mushrooms from Latvia. You know, in Latvia we have like even a championship of picking up the mushrooms. Laura is not exclusion.
Yeah.
She's doing the same. That's probably one of the most favorite things Laura like when she's back in Latvia. So why we picking them up? We're eating them. You can dry them for the winter, or you can make a soup like Laura did. And it's super yummy. You can make different sauces with mushrooms. Let's try. You know, actually you can pick up some poisonous mushrooms. We have a special books we always checking if we are not sure what mushrooms we picked up, you know, they're eatable or not. So hopefully nothing is here. That's the good one. This is one of our favorite places to come, usually for sunset. They opened at 2017 during the September Agonge eruption time. And so yeah, that was a time when here in Amed everything was empty. Everybody left this place because everybody was so worried about the earthquakes and also the eruption. And this was a place where all the people came together I mean the local community, and we were like playing some games and chatting, and it was really good place to meet each other and to get to know what's going on around here. Okay, this is really good story. So after Chandidasa trip, me and Elliot, we felt like kind of not really sick, but like strange feelings like blocked nose and also like a dry feeling in a throat. So and it was like we since it's all this corona madness, we became really suspicious about this thing. So the one of the signs that you have corona, then it says that you cannot smell anything or you don't feel any taste. So I catch myself during the day time after time doing like this, sniffing my armpit to understand do I still feel it or not. That was super funny. Yeah, now it's over, so no problem at all.